Hello. Are you looking for a herbal product that's highly profitable and easy to make? A herbal product that you can make on your own and build a herbal side hustle business around it? Is that what you're looking for? If so, then you are in the right place. I'm going to do for you 3 things today. 1, I will reveal to you a product that is rarely talked about, but it's a product that you can easily make from home and sell. Plus, it can give you good money. 2, I'll give you a step-by-step guide on how to turn that product to make it from moringa leaves into a product that you can sell and make money from. 3, I'll give you a gift. I'm promising I'll give you a gift at the end of this video. So watch up to the end, because then I will tell you where to get the gift from. If you're new here, I'm Ongwen Laodog, a heritage enthusiast based here in Uganda. In this channel, I help herbalists, both aspiring and seasoned ones, build their businesses. I help them to build their businesses from the ground up. Every week, I show them which common African plant is used to treat which disease. That's 1. Then 2, I show them how to turn it from the way it is into medicine. That's 2. Then 3, I give them guidance on how to sell it to make money out of them. Do you also want to build a herbal business from the ground up? If so, then you are in the right place. I just need you to do for me one simple thing, and it's for your own benefit. Smash the subscribe and the bell notification button so that you get my lessons. You are notified of my lessons every week whenever they come out. Now, let's dive in and I reveal to you that rare moringa product. This is the product. This is the product. You can call it Moringa Bioenhancer. You can call it Moringa Biopotentiator. But I prefer to call it Moringa Bio Stimulant. That's how I prefer to call it. Yes, you can make this from home, and all you need are 1, fresh moringa leaves. 2, you need water, clean water. 3, you need a blender or the mortar that's used throughout Africa. Most African villages have this equipment. You also need a container where to store the final product in. Then you need packaging, some packaging materials, and you need to get someone to design for you a label to stick on it. And you are ready to start production once you have all this. Step 1, select the moringa leaves that are not more than 40 days old. And after selecting them, use whatever equipment you have to grind the moringa leaves thoroughly into a paste. If you are using the kitchen grinder, mix with water following the ratio of 1 kilogram of fresh moringa leaves per liter of water. If you are using the mortar and pestle that's used in the villages throughout Africa, add the water after first crushing the leaves into a paste. Step 2, strain the solids out of the solution. This can be done by placing the solution in a cloth and wringing out the liquid. You can store it as a concentrate, just the way it is, or you can dilute the extracted juice with water, adding 30 cups of water for every 1 cup of the juice. Actually, once you dilute it, that's how you'll use it now. You don't need to add any other water. This is the standard amount of water you had. It's in the ratio of 30 cups of water for every 1 cup of the juice. It works very well. Congratulations, you have just made for yourself a highly effective organic fertilizer that you can use on your own crops, you can sell to your neighbors, or you can sell online for good money. Here it is. Organic Moringa organic fertilizer, foliage fertilizer. You can use this product for soaking your seeds for 24 hours before planting. It will work. You can use it to spray directly onto your crops. It will work. You can use this product to spray on the ground where you intend to plant your crops. It will still work. It's very versatile and highly effective, and it will make you good money. These are some of the benefits of using the Moringa Bio Stimulant. It helps the plant grow faster because the plant grows larger and bigger roots that absorb more nutrient from the ground. It increases the germination rate of seeds. This product makes the plant stronger with a larger diameter trunk that's more resistant to wind. Wind cannot push it easily because the trunk will be larger. This product, the Moringa Bio Stimulant, strengthens the plant immune system, making the plant more resistant to diseases and pests. This product, again, will make the plant develop more flowers and seeds, and that's a good thing for you. This product, the Moringa Bio Stimulant, helps to detoxify plants exposed to industrial chemicals like herbicides and insecticides. That's also for your own good and the good of your customers. People these days prefer organic products. Now you have your product, and now you have to sell it for money. So what are you going to do? But wait. I promised you a free gift, and I promised I'll show you where to get it from. Anyone can make this biostimulant, this organic biostimulant, from home. But not everyone can turn this into money. That's why the free gift that I'm about to share with you, in my opinion, is more important than making this. If you want to make good money out of this product, then allow me show you how to sell it. The ability to sell, in my opinion, is more important, more useful to you than the ability to manufacture. Anyone can manufacture, but not everyone can sell. I have created a PDF that will guide you. It shows you step by step how to sell any herbal product. And you can get it by clicking on the link below this video. Once you click it, you will be guided on how to access the PDF. I will personally email the PDF to you. The link is below this video.